Today we'll go through the art of creating and utilizing slicers. Let's embark on this learning journey. Let's begin with choosing the data set we have worked in. Navigate to the Insert tab and select Table from the Tables section. A small window will appear pre-configured with everything we need. Hit OK. Our data is now in a table style. Explore different designs through the Design option that opens automatically. Next, go to the Insert Slicer option. Click on it. A small window will emerge, allowing us to choose a slicer for our table. We chose the city for a slicer. Witness how it transforms to filter data accordingly. Click on any city within the slicer to dynamically display data for that specific location. To select multiple cities, hold the Ctrl key and use the plus sign, and then select the different cities. By following this streamlined process, you can efficiently compare and analyze data for multiple cities simultaneously, making data interpretation a breeze.